Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I wanted to prove my theory, and I think I did. I cut a piece of paper in that shape. I cut it with a laser because I was going to print it out on my printer, just a printer, but it's 12.5 inches long. And in the second video, I said that you might want to extend it out a little bit more. But if you can see, my line is almost perpendicular, and even with that, it's a little bit wider down here maybe, but the paper does not wrap to this fold, I think, like the engraving would do. So, like I said in part two, I would, if you measure 12.5 inches, I would make this 12.55 or maybe 12.6. And then do a paper test. You can cut paper in your laser. This is just regular copy paper. Just don't turn on your exhaust so it won't fly away. It doesn't create much smoke. I did it like at 100 speed at 20 power, I think, to cut through that paper, and it just cuts it through so quick. And then that way you've kind of proved your theory, and if you would need to make it a little bit longer, then you could. And like I said in that other video, once you're watching it come around and it starts touching the other one, you could always raise your laser bed and stop it from over engraving on top of the other one. So I held off on the last two videos to call this, I'm going to call this a wrap. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.